Vad salamantidin. I am delighted to send this message on behalf of the European Union to the Somali Women in Business Summit. Women in Somalia are strong. Women in Somalia are a strong force in Somalia's economy, in the past, and even so more now. Women are involved in every area of economic activity, from big business to agriculture to household enterprises. Let us not forget the unpaid work within families. Without this unpaid work, the society would not be able to function. Women are good in multitasking. We see you keeping the home and family going while also working as the only breadwinner. Women are creative. We see women selling vegetables at the roadside, but also finding financing for innovative startups. I am constantly inspired by Somali women. As European Union, we are here to assist and to accompany. We know that women do have challenges, both in formal but also in informal economy. We need to bridge the skills gap and give more training to women and girls. Women need to get better access to financing and loans. The summit is most valuable in bringing women together to share experiences, to do networking together, and to come up with new ideas and solutions. Somali women deserve more opportunities in business. Mahat Sanidin.